Okay, I'm Dr. R. Deuk Majin. We're at Deuk Spine Institute, and this young lady next to me and her husband, we've just been through Deuk laser disc repair, L45, L5S1, to treat her back pain and her right leg pain. So you want to tell us, it's been about an hour and a half since your surgery. Where are you headed?
I'm going home.
There you go, going home, right.
Absolutely.
No hospital stay.
Nope.
Now, you just had surgery and you're heading home. This is spine surgery.
Mhm.
We fixed 2 discs. How could you possibly be going home so soon?
Because I feel like it.
Yeah, you feel good.
I do.
All right.
My leg feels totally different already.
So what kind of problems were you having before surgery?
I couldn't sit anywhere without a pillow, always, for years. And nobody found anything to do. And Dr. Deuk did.
Yeah. And so you complained about having,
And severe leg pain.
so back pain and leg
Back
pain.
pain, leg pain, yeah.
And
all
you
the
were,
way.
you were telling me that you're a piano player at church.
Yes.
And you've been for how many years?
46.
46 years playing the piano. And what kind of problems were you having with your pedal leg?
I could not, it would just start shaking uncontrollably. So it made it kind of impossible to play.
Yeah, and the back pain that you suffered with, was it all the time, every
Oh,
day?
yeah.
All the
day,
time, every day?
Every day, yeah.
And do you have it now?
No, just from, no, I'm fine.
Where I cut you?
A little bit, but not much.
But the pain in the center that you had where the disc herniations were? Would you say it's gone, or is it mostly gone, or?
Mostly gone.
Awesome.
I
All
think
right,
it's
very
just
good.
from the, yeah,
From the incision?
yeah,
Excellent. And your leg feels,
good. And
All
more
right.
stable, too.
are you happy?
Very happy.
All right, very good. Anything else you want to say to the audience before you get out of here and go home?
It's a good place to come and get answers.
Absolutely.
Anything you want to say?
He's worked on both of us, and we can't say enough to thank him enough for his expertise and willingness to do things that other doctors would not do, wouldn't take even the risk at doing. He's able to do that is beyond our comprehension, and we are very grateful and thankful for
Well,
Dr. Deuk.
Deuk Spine Institute is grateful for both of you, so thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.